And with that, we have another breaking update coming in. If you travel by Delhi Metro, this news update is for you. Delhi Metro services continue to be affected because of the ongoing CGP protests in the national capital. For the third day, 17 metro stations in the national capital, they will remain closed as a security measure. Passengers cannot enter or exit these stations, and trains are not going to stop there as well. Heavy police deployment, barricades and traffic diversions are also in place around key protest site as security remains tight across the national capital. So at this point in time, we're learning that Delhi Metro restrictions continued for the third consecutive day amid the ongoing CGP protests, with services suspended at as many as 17 metro stations across the national capital as a precautionary measures. The affected stations remained closed for entry and exit, while trains skipped these stations to maintain the operation and rest of the network as well. So that is the latest we're learning as far as DMRC is concerned. They've also put out the names of these metro stations on social media. So let me take you through the details. Below mentioned metro station will be closed from 7:30 a.m. tomorrow, that is today, till further instruction. However, interchange facilities shall remain available at Rajiv Chowk, Mandi House and Central Secretariat. So no train will be stopping here. People cannot enter or exit. And this is the list of the metro stations that has been put out by DMRC. Lok Kalyan Marg, Rajiv Chowk, Patel Chowk, Ramakrishna Ashram Marg, Barakhamba Road, Supreme Court, Seva Teeth, Janpat, Mandi House, Central Secretariat, ITO, Delhi Gate, Indraprastha, Khan Market, Johor Bagh, Shivaji Stadium and Jhandewala. So all of at these stations, metro will not be stopping from 7:30 a.m. Today, as far as the restrictions are concerned. Shefali is joining us live on the broadcast with more details. Shefali, do take us through the measures that have been taken by DMRC. We are learning that as far as the service is concerned of the metro, it continues to be affected in the national capital. Give us more details about this.
Right, Akanksha, today is the third day that the DMRC has put out a tweet on X announcing that these are the 17 stations in the central Delhi whose services will be shut during the day, and it starts around 7:30 in the morning. Yesterday as well, we have seen where when you go to these affected metro stations, the shutters are closed, have been put down so that no passerby can take the entry or come out from there. Although there is a bit relaxation for commuters, as yesterday there was the transition was just allowed for Rajiv Chowk metro station, but now they are saying that for Mandi House and Central Secretariat also, they can change metro within the metro station, but they cannot come out. But the problem is that commuters are facing a lot of problem, because if we talk about Central Delhi area, the internet also gets suspended at times. So people
absolutely, and 17 metro stations we are learning they will remain closed today. Thanks so much, Shefali, for getting us all those details. And with this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.